Well, since it is like a couple temperatures above freezing, I'm gonna see how cold it really is. Because, well, I don't know why I get. Because I'm an idiot, that's why. That apparently wants to freeze to death. Yep. Oh, how about that? It's cold. I'm an idiot. Honestly, I don't know why I did that. Damn, it's already. Holy shit. Apparently it's already midnight. What the hell? Hell, okay. There's no way in hell time went by that fast. Are you serious? I mean, come on. Yep. And I was upstairs watching some YouTube videos, and next thing you know, decided to start recording, and it's apparently a few minutes after midnight. Huh. When the old saying, time flies when you're having fun. I wish it was the other way around, where if you're not having fun, time flies then. But of course, you know what, whatever. I don't know what the hell that was all about, but whatever. Oh, come on, man. I hate these commercials.
Is that ice cream? No, it's Breyer's gelato indulgences. It looks like ice cream. It's not.
What the fuck was that?
Caramel, crunchy stuff.
Wait. And this is exactly why I hate these ads. Oh, of course it's gotta be a food commercial, right? Of course. It made me hungry and to piss me off. Of course. Well, enough of these ads. Let's see how the come on. I want to see how the situation is going with Winter Storm Stella. It's the dog. Oh, good. Of course. This is ridiculous. Absolutely fucking ridiculous. Oh, seems like some snow layers in the state in which I live in. Interesting. But thank God it's missing me. Oh wait, fuck. I think that pink is heading towards me, and that's mixed. Oh great. Well, we'll see about that. We shall see. I thought I said, never mind. I thought I messed up a sentence there. But yeah, this is. Oh, I thought those were the temperatures. I was about to. Those are just the dew point. Those are just the dew points. Well, I was about to say, Jesus. I don't know why the hell these are here, but whatever. Shit. Have some, there you go. Technical difficulties, I guess. Let me put them on the washing machine for now, and my eye is itching there. Sorry about that. But yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is just how my night is going so far. Just sitting, just chilling out, literally. And there was no pun intended there. This seriously wasn't no pun there. Well, at least no pun intended. But yeah, just relaxing, just watching some YouTube videos, and watching a little bit of TV. That's how my night is going so far. And also, I get 1 week off from work. Thank God. So I'm on a 1 week vacation, and you know what I'm gonna do during that? Just sit here in the chair, drinking some sodas, relaxing, watching YouTube videos, and watching some TV here, of course. turn that down a little bit because well, it's midnight and I'm the only one awake in the entire house yet again. But yeah, so that's probably how my vacation is gonna go. Just relaxing, watching some TV as well as some YouTube videos. So yeah, got some TV dinners here. Let's see. Got the hell is that? Damn it. The scalloped chicken and noodles, and all the other just macaroni and cheeses. So yeah. My way. I'm hooked on these. I'm addicted to this shit right now. These little TV dinners. Don't ask me why, I got no clue. So yeah. And of course I can forget some sodas. Some ginger ale and some Dr. Peppers. And no, those aren't animal crackers. Well, they are, but for dogs. Now, oh, I know this is gonna sound disgusting, and oh, sorry about that, and it is. So if you just ate, if you're eating, or if you just ate, or planning on eating after watching this, and yeah, you may wanna click off now, or at least fast forward a little bit. But when I was a little kid, I mean, when I'm talking real little, around like 1 to 5 years old, I can't believe I'm saying this. Milk bones, dog treats, whatever you call them. I used to eat those all the time. Back when I was a little kid, I obviously don't anymore because, well, now I'm an adult, and yeah, Anyways, I actually remember one time when I was 3 years old, my father actually caught me eating one of those dog treats. Actually, was attempting to hide them behind my back end. But, well, he eventually figured it out. My mouth was filled to the brim with dog treats. I was like a chipmunk or a squirrel with an acorn in his mouth. So there's a little story there and a history of my little childhood. I miss those days. And I think I saw the word power outage down there. Oh, great. Anyways, I'm actually gonna end it here because, well, unfortunately, running low on battery power on the camera here, and do not want the camera to die, especially on camera. So yeah, so I'm gonna charge it and upload the video, and that's gonna be it for now. And this weather is absolutely insane. It's just literally ridiculous.